Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how you can change your photo into anime. So the process is very easy. You just have to follow me step by step, and please do not skip the video. Let's get started without wasting any time. So you can see that this interface is open on my screen. You can access this by clicking the link in my description box for free, and after you click the link in my description box you are going to land on this screen. So after that you have to go to this photo editing tools, and here you can see there's this option of photo to cartoon. You can use this to create your photo into anime. I'm going to click it. After I click it, you can see here I have to upload my picture and then it will be changed into cartoon. Here you can see that cartoonize your photo. I'm going to upload my picture and then I'm going to come back. So here you can see that my image has been uploaded. Now I have to choose a style. Here I can choose any one. You can see there's this option of anime. So here I can choose any option that I want. I'm going to choose anime 1 as we are changing our photo into anime. I'm going to click this one and I'm going to click this generate image. It is going to generate 2 images. I can choose as many options as I want. Right now I'm going to choose 1 image and then I'm going to click generate. Now you have to wait for a while until it processes the video and generates it, and then I'll come back. So guys, here you can see that this was my original picture and now this is the creation that is made. My picture has totally changed into anime, and this is how photo into anime AI works. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. See you again. Thank you very much.